For those who don't know, let me tell you that Pi AI is a large language model like ChatGPT and Google Bard, which allows you to add a personal assistant to WhatsApp for free of cost. This video is going to be very short and simple, in which I will tell you two such methods, which will be free of cost, in which you can add Pi AI to your WhatsApp. Method 1. You must first save the numbers displayed on your screen on your mobile. Then, as soon as you save the number, you will see the logo of Pi AI in your WhatsApp. If it is not visible, then whatever name you save this number, you just have to search, then you will start showing it. Then lastly, you can go to this chat section and chart with it. Method 2. First, a link will be showing in front of you on the screen. You just need to type this link into your browser. Then click on this Continue to Chat button. Then it will redirect you directly to Pi AI's WhatsApp assistant. You can chat with it. If you want to know about the security concerns, limitations, and benefits of using Pi AI in WhatsApp, then you can go to Google and search for how to add Pi AI on WhatsApp and then add AI intensity at the end. My post will be visible to you, and you can get full details about Pi AI by clicking on it. Till then, if you find this video beneficial to you, then subscribe to our channel and like this video.